Hi friends, today we draw Bluey. Now we draw the Bluey head in a small oval. Then again here like this. Okay. Now Bluey head is ready. Now we draw the Bluey ear like this. This is a small rectangle inside a small rectangle. You can same like this here. Small rectangle inside. Okay. Then we draw the Bluey body. Like this. Okay. Then we draw Bluey hand. Okay. Then we draw Bluey finger. Okay. This hand finger and the other hand side finger. Okay. Then we draw the leg like this, like this, like this. Another leg like this, like this, like this. Then tail like this, small side and like this. And now we draw Bluey eye face details like this. Here, like this. Now we draw the Bluey nose like this. Mouth like this. Nose tape this. Edges there and there. And like this. Now Bluey body is ready. This our drawing is live. Now fun part. And also we do the coloring. Dark blue like this. Like this and tail okay. This pages okay. Then belly page Here, then yellow. Here inside, and nose also yellow. And black for eye. And light blue. Like this. Like this. Okay. Here. Here. This one. This here, here, here also, here, like this, and here's our Bluey. Thank you very much.